Welcome to Cooking with Mommy. Today we are going to be making my favorite sweet apple crisp.
Okay.
Yummy in my tummy. There's coffee, our coffee, baking powder,
Baking soda.
baking soda, salt, wait. This smells weird. And baking soda and salt, vanilla, sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar. Is it brown or coconut?
We use brown sugar on this.
Brown sugar, nuts,
Walnuts.
and some apples, and a beat up egg,
On that one over there.
flour,
And the butter.
and
Where's your
the-
butter?
I don't see any. Ah, shoot, I forgot. And butter.
Okay, where's your butter?
My butter's right over here. It's mashed.
Okay. So what will you do first?
First, I'll cream the, what do you call it again, Mom?
The butter,
Butter in with what?
eggs, and sugar.
What kind of sugar? Brown?
No, this.
White sugar.
Okay, you have to cream that one.
First, I need to put the butter in, right?
Mm-hmm.
I put the whole butter.
Yes.
Ah. Ah. The egg.
Oh, no. You have to mix the, what's that first?
Put that to the down. I'll put it onto two.
And then put the,
Egg.
yes.
Now the sugar. Ah. And now the sugar. How? I'll just get.
No, just, yeah, just slowly dump it. Carefully. Yeah. Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
That was all.
Yeah. You have to cream it.
Ah! Don't put it too hot, please.
Okay.
That looks good and creamy.
Okay. And then on the dry ingredients,
It will be what?
you have to add the,
What? Apple cider,
no,
What?
the baking soda,
baking soda. And now the salt.
salt. Okay, mix
Coffee?
it. No, mix it. Can you mix it, baby?
I can mix it, but I need a little bit high.
Okay, and then we're gonna put that in the,
What?
right here, in this mixing bowl.
How do I do it? Just do like this.
Yeah, come here. Get over here. Okay, just put some in there. One at a time.
That's how you do it. It looks like cream. All of the flour?
Yes,
Ah,
please.
Put all the flour. It looks creamy. Anyways, this is all you have to do, and then you do the other. Oh, my arm's getting tired. I can do
You want me to do that? The whole thing? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. It went to your nose?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the vanilla, baby? Okay, and then we're gonna add the, what's that? The coffee. And then add the coffee. I think I'm doing it wrong. It should be like alternate the cream with flour and the cold coffee.
That's okay.
It should be alternate.
Now the vanilla.
And vanilla. Okay. Okay. Put now.
Wait.
Okay. Put the whole thing.
I'm trying to.
Okay. The apple. Okay, put the apples over here.
Can I just do it by hand?
Or just some.
I'll jump it.
Okay. Okay, come on. There's more in there.
I'm gonna eat that.
Oops. Okay, and then we're ready to take this.
It looks so weird.
I know it does. But this is gonna be yummy.
Hot coffee. Yeah.
Oh, you know what we forgot, babe?
What?
Is the cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I can just put it in there. I'll just put the cinnamon in here. I forgot. Okay.
And then mix it. Hi guys, this is the things that we're doing, and we're sorry that we forgot the cinnamon. Okay, I'm waiting for my mom to get it. Anyways, if you remember this mask, it's not in good lighting. There. If you remember this mask on my last video, comment down below. Here's our cinnamon. There it is.
I'll just take
Fourth.
1/4 of 1/4 teaspoon. I'm sorry, I didn't look for it.
Yeah, she's sorry. We're going to mix it. I'll be right back. When my mom is done, never mind. Like there. I'll be.
Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to put the cinnamon.
Now we're done. We were mixing that. Per heat oven. Let me take you around.
Preheat it to 350 degrees.
These are musics right there.
40 minutes it says. Okay, and then now you're gonna put it in this pan.
Put it in this pan.
No, this one.
This pan. It's on.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay, and now we're gonna put it in this pan.
Right here.
Here, hold it.
By the way, if you remember our other videos, give us a thumbs up. Spray that.
This is apple crisp.
Apple crisp. If you like this video and you do this and don't ever forget about the cinnamon. Because Apple Chris will not be able to do it without the cinnamon. Anyways, now share it too.
Yeah.
Can I try some?
You can't try
The
it.
pan that we put the flour in. Here's our brown sugar and walnuts. Here's the pan for that mixture. On my mommy's mini me.
And
Mix it. Can you hold it, Mom?
that one.
Can you hold it?
You mix it with that.
I'm mixing it now. I'm mixing it. Yeah.
Mix it.
I'm mixing.
Okay.
This is how you do it. Somebody's coming, I think. We don't know who's making that sound. Sounds like somebody's coming. And here's the way.
I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. Like that. Right?
It's on.
Just pour it on the top.
I can do it. Can I do it?
No, baby. Just do it this one.
But my neck hurts.
Where are you going? You're not done yet. You're not done yet. Come on, get over here. Help me. Okay, do the rest now. Here, come on. You do it. You can do it now. Come on, please. Pretty please, please do it. Come on. Okay, I'll finish it myself. Okay. And now we'll just be waiting for the oven to preheat. Then we can bake this for 40 minutes, 350 degrees. Put this in the oven. There. We're gonna check it. Oh, it's not done yet. I mean, it's not baked yet. Okay, here it is. It's our apple crisp. Or later. It's still hot. I just got it out of the oven. Okay, just that. My daughter can't wait to try it. Try it. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.